Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing the non-member member animal glitch live. So let's start. So nervous about this. So I have to go. I have to recycle my turtle, and then I have to reload. Let's hope this works. Please work. Please work. Yes, it worked. Okay, I'm a non-member Arctic wolf. I didn't really aiming to be an Arctic wolf, but yeah. Okay, so yep, the non-member, and I've got all these lovely items that I can use. Yeah, this is great. Yep. So anyway, thank you for watching. That's how you do the actual glitch. So yay, thank you for watching. I said that already. Bye.